Although the roof of our home may not be the first thing that comes to mind when improving the look of a home, upgrading, updating, or replacing it can not only boost curb appeal, but helps keep you and the contents of your home dry, protected, and safe.
Well, I think having a well-designed and well-built roof is important because the house is our most important asset. We want to protect not only the asset itself, but all of our belongings and valuables that are inside of it.
Well, we bought our house a couple of years ago. We've done a lot of renovations to it already, and the roof is worn, it's weathered, it's nearing the end of its life cycle, and starting to get a couple of leaks. Water damage inside the house is something that we did not want to have to deal with after doing a lot of renovations and upgrades to the house already. We wanted to protect our investment.
One of the biggest things that homeowners don't realize on their home is the roof does more than just keep water out. Just as important is how the house breathes. Does it vent properly? A house that doesn't vent properly causes your heating and cooling systems to work harder than they should, which means that your utility bills are more expensive. Homeowners don't realize how much the inefficiency costs them.
We asked around and also did some research on somebody who would be able to meet all of our needs. We had a complicated idea in mind for what we wanted to do to our roof when we upgraded it. That included adding a couple of solar tube sun tunnels to add more natural light into the house. We also wanted to add a metal roof on the back porch of our house. We needed to have somebody who would be able to handle all of these different challenges, where we don't have to worry about somebody installing things wrong.
With over 15 years of experience in the construction, design, repair, and installation of commercial and industrial roofs in the metropolitan Atlanta area, Roof Technology Partners has a proven record of safety and customer satisfaction.
Today we have between 40 and 50 employees. We're licensed in 14 states. One of the things we pride ourselves on is we're a one-stop shop for roofing. There's not a roofing system or type that we can't install. Metal roofs, slate roofs, shingle roofs, we do all types. One of the things that we strive for is we do a lot of homework and planning on the front end. Usually when customers call us, it's because they have a problem.
I reached out to Roof Technology Partners via phone. They immediately sent somebody out to our house. They evaluated the current condition of our roof.
When we met with Christina, we obviously wanted to make sure that we solved her problem, which is the roof. But she also had some things that she wanted us to consider, such as a different roof type off the back porch or incorporating more natural light. We evaluated the different possibilities along with some budgets, so ultimately she could pick and choose which ones were most important for her. Once Christina decides on what roof system she wants to go with, we turn it over to our operations teams. We secure the materials, we secure the dumpsters, whatever equipment's needed to perform the roof. The process of putting the roof on, we determine obviously how big the roof is. We make a determination of how many squares we could do in a day. We evaluate the weather pattern, and if it affords us an opportunity to get it all done in one day, and we need to double a crew size, triple a crew size, then that's what we do. Of course, at the end of the day, we pick up all of the debris. We have magnets that we go around, pick up all the nails. We have blowers, we blow everything off to make sure that we get everything and nothing gets left behind and presents a danger for the homeowner. Yeah, we want customers to have a good experience with us, and if they do, then they will refer us to other business. But we pride ourselves on doing what we say we're going to do. We have a plan, we execute the plan, and then at the end of it, we want to make sure that customers are satisfied and everything was done as we said it would be, when we said it would be, and how we said it would be done.
I'm very satisfied with the work Roof Technology Partners has done. They've been a pleasure to work with from start to finish, and now I know that I have a roof that will protect our home and also looks beautiful all year round.
To learn how you can upgrade or remodel the roof on your home, visit rooftechnologypartners.com and designingspaces.tv.